Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview AquaChek TruTest Digital Reader. What is AquaChek TruTest Digital Reader? The AquaChek TruTest Digital Reader is an electronic pool test strip reader. No more guessing required. Know exactly what is in your pool in less than 15 seconds. Product benefits. AquaChek TruTest Digital Reader is fast, easy and accurate way of testing your pool and spa basic chemistries with the use of a digital test strip reader. Specifically developed for pool and spa owners, the AquaChek TruTest Digital Test Strip Reader combines the ease and accuracy of AquaChek test strips with advanced digital technology. Usage directions. Step 1. Press power button on. Step 2. Press start button and dip a strip into your pool water. Step 3. Remove strip immediately and shake off excess water. Step 4. Gently place the testing strip into the test slot, pad side down. Step 5. Wait for results on the digital display. Do not hold onto test strip. This complete kit contains TruTest Digital Test Strip Reader 25 test strips. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.